Okay, good morning. Today we will be learning the module number 6 of our Mathematics 7. So the title is Operations on Rational Numbers with the objectives of the following. We have to add and subtract fractions and add and subtract decimals. So let's focus first on the first objective, which is add and subtract fractions. So to add and subtract fractions, there are three different types of fractions: the similar fractions, the dissimilar fractions, and the mixed fractions. So similar fractions, focus on the denominator. If the denominator are the same, like this 12, 12, 12, or 6 and 6 and 6, so that is what you call a similar fraction. So let's have an example for that. So we have 1/5 plus 2/5. So let me show you an example of how to solve that one. So we have 1/5 plus 2/5 equals, just simply copy the denominator, which is 5, then add 1 plus 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3/5. Okay, the second example is 5/21 plus 3/21. So just copy the denominator 21, then 5 plus 3. The denominator 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8/21. Next, the third example is 6/7 minus 2/7. In this case, the denominator is 7. So copy the 7. So 6 minus 7, or 2 rather, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4/7. That is now the final answer. Next, dissimilar fractions. When you say dissimilar fractions, focus on the denominator again. If the denominator are not the same, like this 12, 7, and 22, or 2, 3, and 6, they are what you call dissimilar fractions. And if you are going to add that one, example, we have 1/5 plus 1/4. So we have 1/5 plus 1/4. So how are we going to add that one? In this case, we are going to use the LCD of the denominator. So 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 divided by 5, again 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then times the numerator 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Next, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next, times 1 on the denominator, that is 5. Then 4 minus 5 equals -1 over, plus, that is plus. 4 plus 5, that is 9/20. So that is now our answer. Next, the second example is 2/3 minus 1/4, 1/2 rather. So we have 2/3 minus 1/2. So get the LCD. 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Times 2, that is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Times 1 is 3. Then copy the symbol negative or minus. 4 minus 3 is 1/6. And that is now our final answer. Next, the next one is what you call the mixed fractions or the mixed numbers. When you say mixed numbers, these are a combination of a whole number, 3, and a fraction of 1/4. So again, this is a combination of a whole number and a fraction, like this example. So let's have this demonstration of solving. 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 1/3. So 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 2/3. So in this case, we have to transform this one first into what you call improper fraction. So to transform that one, 2 times 4 is 8, then plus 3, that is 11. So 11 over, copy the denominator 4. Next, plus 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5 over, copy the denominator 3. Next, proceed now to what you call the LCD. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 11 is 33. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer here is 33 plus 20 is 53 over 12. So 53 over 12, you may transform this one into proper fraction, or you may transform this one into a mixed number rather. Mixed number. So let's have transforming that one. So we are 53 and 12 as it will be divided. So how many 12 are there in 53? So let's try 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. That is 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 4, 48. So we have 4. 4 times 12, that is 48. 3, 13, 4. 13, 8. So 3, 4, 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have 4 and 5 over 12. 4 and 5 over 12 as our mixed fraction. So can we answer this one? Yes, it's correct. Can we answer this one? Yes, it's also correct. Either of the two is correct. It depends on the instruction. So let's proceed with the third example. The third example is 7 and 1/2 minus 1 and 1/3. So we have 7 and 1/2 minus 1 and 1/3. Again, that step is transform this one into what you call improper fraction. So how do we do that one? So 7 and 1/2. 2 times 7, 14. Again, 2 times 7 is 14. Then plus 1, 15. Over, copy the denominator which is 2. Then copy the symbols, negative or minus. 1 times 3 is 3. Then plus 1, that is 4. Over the denominator 3. Next, get the LCD. So 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Times 15 is 15, 15, 45. Next, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Times 4, that is 8. So 45 minus 8 over 6. So subtract 45 and 8. So we have 37 over 6. And transform this one into mixed fraction. 37 divided by 6. 6 times 6, 36. That is 36 and 1. So 6 and 1 over 6. So we have 6 and 1 over 6 as our final answer.